common denominator means that what is the least common multiple of both these numbers. So for this we write, 4 and 6 just like that, and multiply 4 times 2 we get 8, 6 times 2 we get 12, and 4 times 12 we get 4 times 3 we get 12. It means that 12 is the least common denominator of 4 and 6. Now check for second one. 8 and second denominator is 10. So we try and add 8 times 2 we get 16, 10 times 2 we get 20, 8 times 3 we get 24, 10 times 3 we get 30, 8 times 4 we get 5 we get 8 times 4 we get good, and 10 times 4 we get 40, and 8 times 5 we get, here you check that we get 40 as the least common denominator for 8 and 10. Understand? And secondly, you check that next one. Find the least common denominator of 3 and 9. So similarly we write 3 and 9. 3 times 2 we get 6. 3 times 3 we get 9. It means that 9 is the least common denominator of 3 and 9. Understand? And after that 12 and 18. 12 times 2 we get 24, 18 times 2 we get 36, 12 times 3 we get 36. Now here least common denominator is how much, dear? Good. So least common denominator means that in short form, if we explain it, if we have two numbers in denominator, we just check that which is the least number, which one is the least number, which is multiple on both, the common multiple, just like here you seen it, 40, 12, 9, 36. You have any question about this? So can you find for 2 and 8? Hurry up, I'm right here. Good, good, good. I like it. 640? Where? For 6 and 40. For this one. Time. Oh, exactly. I just start Google Meet meeting and share link with you. So further, you have any question about this?